The 2007 Sky. The Saturn Sky is a two-seat roadster designed to compete against the Mazda MX-5 Miata and other roadsters and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: OnStar, air conditioning, front, power steering, alloy wheels, cruise control, fog lamps, CD player, passenger airbag, trip computer, remote power door locks. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.